Hello, hello. It is Stephanie Deeds, your favorite broker here at Point Realty. And I just wanted to introduce myself and show you the building because if you are looking for a place that is great to start your career, continue your career, we would love for you to take a look at us here at Point Realty. So walk with me a little bit. I want you to see this beautiful place that we have. We've got a great little reception area here, also very comfortable to just sort of kind of chill out, sit down, relax a little bit. Plenty of room to kind of sit and spread out, and you know, it's very comfy in the kitchen. You can come and spend the day if you want to get some work done, stop and have some lunch. And actually, you don't have to make your lunch in the kitchen because we are right down in Downtown Mansfield. So you can walk one block and you've got Main Street Tacos, Twisted Root, Del Toro Barbecue, Mary Lou's Cafe. There's a ton of places downtown to eat. So this is a great environment really to come, get some work done, go have some lunch, get out of the house. I know we all love to work from home, but this setting I think is really great for productivity, you know, a couple times a week. Through that barn door, which is my favorite part of the house, we have a conference room. So if you've got clients that you need to meet, you need to sit down and do a buyer consultation, you need to do a listing presentation. If you're a team leader and you need to interview agents to bring onto your own team, that conference room space is open to everybody. Just on a schedule. So one of my favorite rooms in the office this is what we're calling our agent room. We've got these fantastic chairs. By the way, I want you to know not only are they cute, they're super comfortable. It's a perfect space really, even if you are the person who wants to do like stand-up desk kind of thing. We have this counter over here where you can do a stand-up desk. We've got lots of bright colors in here, kind of trying to bring a really fun, trendy, exciting vibe. But the location is not the only reason that this is a place you should want to work. Here at Point Realty, well, first of all, let me start with why we are called Point. There's a dog in the logo. It's called Point because we have an English pointer. His name is Bandit, and we have always joked about what a quirky dog this is, but he has some characteristics that really have kind of spoken to us over the years. He is incredibly persistent. It doesn't matter if it's a butterfly or if it is a bird or what it is. Once he has decided to chase something, he is so persistent and he will go after it for hours. So the persistence is a big key. He also is a super loyal, lovable dog. He is always going to be there to take care of us in a way that is just kind of an unconditional thing. So between his persistence and loyalty, those are two traits that we really felt like were important for me as a broker and my husband John as also a leader in the company to really have for our agents. We have a persistence about making sure that you're successful, and as long as the loyalty goes both ways, you'll never question that we have your best interest at heart for sure. So those are just two of the traits that we talk about with our dog that were sort of the inspiration of naming the company. So it's important to me as an agent who's been doing this for 10 years, over a decade of learning and watching the business grow and seeing how brokerages have changed. We came from a national brand where we had a ton of support and a great broker, but ultimately we thought that this boutique sort of experience where you have one-on-one ability to connect with your broker and really know that you've got training opportunities and you're not spending national brand money to get it. So anyway, if you have questions about Point Realty, if there's anything that I can do for you, if you'd like to sit down and chat with me, that would make me so happy and I would love the opportunity to do so. So please reach out to us and let us know when a good time would be to chat, and we would love to host you in our office here for a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.